Ready to help your teen take charge of money? Activating a GoHenry Junior account is easy and quick. Well, first log into your parent GoHenry Apple website. Once your child's debit card arrives in the mail, you'll see an activate button next to their name on your home screen. Tap it and follow the simple prompts. You will need to enter the last 4 digits of their card, so then choose a PIN. It will only appear briefly, so grab a PIN. Next, you will be prompted to deposit at least 5 pounds or $5 in the US into their balance. This kickstarts the account and covers the activation steps. Once you have it confirmed, their username, password, and PIN will definitely be shown there, and the card is from further on down live. So from there, set weekly allowances, spending limits, and tasks right in the app. Well, that's really it. Your Teen Junior's account is active and ready for them to earn, spend, and save responsibly. If you found this video really helpful, drop a like, comment, subscribe, engage, because that really helps my channel to bring you out more engageful video and helpful videos, I'd say. Until then, I'll definitely catch you in the next video. Let's go.